I think you've succeeded in the smoke screen that you've provided for this administration. Na una, yung visit ni Marcos na tinatawag nila na a success where we got a 1% reduction of the 20% imposed tariff on us. So, tsaka yung baha dyan, ginagamit mo pa yung demise of the people, to divert real issues. So kung gusto mo talaga, dalawa lang yan. Either puntahan kita, tayo lang dalawa, magsama ka lang ng bodyguard mo para kung may mangyari sa'yo, at least may mag-alsa pa sa'yo sa ospital. Suntukan tayo, walang gloves. Or kung gusto mo yon, ganito. These are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. So, wag lang Sunday, ilipat mo ng then kung papayag ka sa kondisyon ko, wala problema. Kung if it